The difference between a 90 percentiler and a 99 percentiler is simply the correct mock test plan. Hi, my name is Vignesh. I'm a 3-time CAT 99.98 percentiler. I've got a score of 305 in NMAT 2024, and I'm one of the co-founders at Mockat.com. Now today I'll walk you through how our Mockat test series is perfectly structured to help you crack CAT 2025. Now each of these mocks and sectionals have been personally designed by myself and Sanjana to give you an experience as close as possible to the actual CAT exam and other management entrance tests. Now in this plan, you'll be getting 25 full-length CAT mocks that are at actual CAT difficulty level as well as interface. You'll also be getting 45 additional sectionals which are split across 3 sections, VARC, DLR and Quant, which will serve as additional practice for you. Along with this, you'll also be getting additional 20 mock omits, right? They'll comprise of 5 mock ZATs, 10 mock snaps and 5 mock CMATs. Now along with this, you also get a detailed video analysis at the end of every mock CAT, which will also provide you with analytics with regards to the time spent on each question versus the average time spent, the difficulty level, etc. Now if you're clear on the concepts and you just want to maximize your scores, this mock CAT test series is perfectly designed for that. But if you want to master the concepts, practice the right set of questions and ace these tests, our self-study plan is perfectly designed for that. It also includes a jumbo test series. Do check that out. All the best for the CAT exam. I'll see you then.